어딘가로 달려가는 한 남자.
Police? Hello?
한 소년의 집을 조용히 확인하고 다시 길을 나서는데요. 한편 행복한 일상을 보내는 가족이 있었는데
Oh my God! That's a cafe racer custom, is what it is.
It's gotta be like what, like 1970 something?
1974.
지민은 아들의 생일 선물로 늘 갖고 싶어하던 오토바이를 사주게 되었죠.
Do you know how to ride this thing?
Yes.
그리고 그 시각 위험한 동네로 향하는 한 소년이 있었는데요. 그곳에서 사망한 엄마의 귀를 챙기러 온 것이었습니다. 하지만 동네 흑인들에게 위협을 느끼고 그곳을 벗어나려 하는데 지병인 천식 발작을 막아주는 호흡기를 바닥에 떨어뜨리고 맙니다. 그때 불의의 사고로 오토바이를 몰던 소년을 치워버리고 마는데요. 죽어가는 소년의 전화로 급히 119에 신고하려 했죠.
911, what's your emergency? Hello?
하지만 또다시 천식 발작이 일어나고 그 사이 소년은 사망하고 맙니다. 그리고 두려움에 빠진 애덤은 그곳에서 도망치고 말았죠. 하지만 기름이 떨어져서 주유소에 들리게 되는데 그렇게 수상한 모습을 뒷차에게 목격당하고 맙니다. 그리고 죽은 소년의 휴대폰까지 강에 던져버린 뒤 집으로 돌아와 어떻게든 남은 증거를 은폐하려 했죠. 한편 마이클은 공정한 판결로 유명한 판사였는데요.
What's your name?
Eugene?
Eugene, where's your father?
Busy.
With what?
Side girlfriend. Sells some shit up on Rampart.
When's the last time you saw him? What did you eat for breakfast, Eugene?
We had some pickle juice. Hot fries sometimes when we helped out.
And who helps you out?
My older brother sometimes.
He's affiliated. Thank you, Eugene. You may sit back down.
그는 약을 숨긴 혐의를 받는 여성의 사건을 담당하고 있었고 경찰은 그녀가 약을 숨기는 모습을 보았다고 증언한 상황이었죠.
Let me ask you this. In front of the God that you sworn by, and the badge you wear, and now with everything that you know about this family, are you telling us the truth?
Yes, sir. I swear it.
하지만 그의 증언이 거짓이라는 사실을 알고 있었는데요.
I stood at the doorway at 5700 Flood Street, just as you did. The same front door that you just testified under oath that you saw Famali Jones in the bathroom put a drug wrap up inside herself. Now, here's my question. Do you have see-around corner eyes? Or are you a liar of the vilest kind?
아침에 소년의 집을 들렸던 이유는 바로 이 사실을 직접 확인하기 위해서였습니다. 그렇게 오늘도 공정한 판결을 내리고 집으로 돌아오는데
There's the first. My son.
사실 애덤은 바로 마이클의 하나뿐인 아들이었습니다.
Hey, how was school? You all right? Adam.
단순히 엄마의 기일이라 예민한 거라고 생각했지만 애덤은 결국 죄책감에 모든 것을 털어놓게 되는데요.
Something happened.
At school? What?
I was driving. I hit somebody.
What do you mean? You in another car?
A motorcycle.
Oh, Jesus.
He died. I think he died.
Oh, my God. Adam.
We're going to the police station, aren't we?
그렇게 아들의 죄를 자백시키기로 결심하게 됩니다.
Detective Nancy Costello, please. Well, can you get a message to her? I'm coming into the precinct. Oh, Michael Desiato. Yes, like the judge.
그리고 그날 밤 애덤과 함께 직접 경찰서를 찾아가게 되는데요.
Let me set this up.
하지만 그곳에서 피해자 가족의 얼굴을 보게 되고 무슨 일인지 마음을 바꿔 경찰서를 나오게 되는데
Get back in the car.
I thought that we had to go in.
Back in the car.
You are the one that said that we had to come here.
The boy you hit this morning is Jimmy Baxter's son. That's who you killed.
사실 지민은 수많은 범죄를 저질러온 범죄계의 거물이었습니다. 만약 애덤이 그의 아들을 죽인 것이 알려진다면 그가 끔찍한 보복을 해올 것이 분명했죠.
Don't tell anyone. I can do this. I can keep you safe if no one ever hears about it. This is the rest of our lives.
결국 아들을 살리기 위해 사건을 은폐하기로 마음먹게 되는데요. 피 묻은 옷들을 모두 모아 강에 던져버리고 다음날 죽은 아내의 무덤을 찾아가는데
Booze or dope?
Neither.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's too bad. I only give money to people if it's for booze or dope. Yesterday's flowers. Lay them down and say something to her.
Yeah.
Alibis fall apart, Adam. I see it all the time. They almost never hold up. If you want to give yourself a fighting chance, it has to be very close to true.
Being here, doing
Months
this.
from now, if you're ever asked where you were, what you were doing on October 9th, you'll have the muscle memory of what you did.
그렇게 어제였던 10월 9일의 알리바이를 만들어내게 됩니다. 그리고 그날 밤 시장 후보인 친구 찰리를 찾아가 한 가지 부탁을 하게 되는데요.
What is it, Michael?
It's, Robin's car. I need it to disappear, Charlie. But it just can't just be sold. I mean gone.
사실 사고를 낸 차는 죽은 아내의 자동차였죠.
It's gotta be painful for you. Seeing it there every day, in the street, outside your home. Drop the key behind the front left wheel. Give me a few hours. Hey, I need a favor.
그렇게 자동차도 무사히 없앨 수 있게 되고 그제야 조금 마음을 놓을 수 있었는데요. 하지만 생각지도 못한 단서 하나가 지미의 손에 들어가고 맙니다. 그리고 다음 날 시장에게 고용된 코피는 사고를 낸 차를 가져가게 되는데요. 그리고 경찰을 찾아간 마이클은 전날 그녀에게 전화한 이유를 둘러대려 했죠.
The message that you left at the station yesterday.
I was calling to report the theft of Robin's car. And I wanted it to be you because I didn't want to make a big deal out of it. This isn't about a car thief. This, to me, is a lot bigger. You see, I haven't been able to bring myself to get rid of... Every morning I go out and there's her car, just sitting there, like a bruise. The car thief actually did me a favor.
그렇게 가슴 아픈 과거를 핑계로 사건을 덮으려 하는데
Can I be straight with you, Judge?
Please?
That's a load of crap. The anniversary of her death. I mean, he doesn't know that. How can he know that? You want me to let it go? What our car thief didn't have for breakfast or how fucked up his childhood was. I am going to find that piece of shit.
정의로운 경찰인 낸시는 그냥 넘어갈 생각이 없었습니다. 그 시각 차에 있던 사인볼에 정신이 팔린 코피는 신호 위반을 하게 되고 결국 마이클의 차량을 절도한 혐의를 받게 되는데요.
This is the auto.
We found the car. Hello.
Yes, I'm here. Well, that's great news.
예상 못한 상황에 그도 당황할 수밖에 없었죠.
Do you have a name for him? The kid who stole the car?
Well, not with me. You want me to get it to you when I have it?
No, okay.
Okay.
심지어 차량에는 아직 중요한 단서가 남아 있었는데요.
The hell is that?
바로 죽은 로코가 타고 있던 오토바이의 파편이었습니다. 결국 차량을 처리하려던 계획은 최악으로 흘러가고 마는데요.
You said the car had been taken care of.
I thought it had.
Was it abandoned?
No.
Wait, someone was driving it?
And we haven't got time
Dad,
for this.
do they
No,
think that
we
they can
haven't got time for this.
심지어 사건 당일 목격자가 있었다는 이야기까지 듣게 됩니다.
I stopped for gas.
You stopped for gas?
I had to,
Christ,
Dad.
Adam. Did you speak to anyone there?
Just the guy in the car behind me.
Wait, what guy?
I was slow and I dropped the pump handle and he honked at me.
Did he get a good look at you? Shit.
그리고 결정적인 단서인 호흡기는 이미 지미의 손에 들어가 있었죠. 이 상황을 해결할 방법은 오직 하나밖에 없었는데요.
Talk to me now?
결국 끔찍한 고문을 당한 코피는 영문도 모른 채 거짓 자백을 하게 됩니다.
Kofi Jones. Who? He knocked Rocco Baxter off his motorcycle and left him bleeding to death on the roadside. And now he's been arrested and he's gonna pay for what he did.
사건이 드러나면 골치 아파지는 찰리가 손을 쓴 것이었는데요. 그는 지역에서 유명한 갱단인 디자이어와 커넥션이 있었죠.
Lamo. What's good, Soldier? Just want to let you know that we're looking out for your mama and your family. You ain't got to worry about all that. Take the hit, though, man. Desire got your back.
You want me to plead out for something I didn't do? What if I don't?
Then your mama and your family. Maybe then I can't guarantee they'd be safe.
결국 가족을 인질 삼은 갱단의 협박에 죄를 인정하고 마는데요.
To the charge of vehicular homicide, how does the accused plead?
Guilty.
What?
Guilty.
하지만 진실을 알고 있는 마이클은 아들을 위해 무고한 죄인 앞에서 눈 돌릴 수밖에 없었습니다.
Judge! Judge! You a good man. Judge, please help my son.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
그리고 코피가 아들을 죽였다고 생각한 지미는 복수심에 휩싸이게 되죠.
Wasn't a hit and run. It was a hit. There's no other explanation. Desire coming for us.
Carlo beating up one of their soldiers. They'd kill Rocco for that.
I'm gonna clean this city up.
결국 죄책감에 빠진 마이클은 유능한 동료 변호사인 리를 찾아가는데
Pleaded guilty, so it's only a matter of the sentencing. Well, both know the difference between you and an overworked public defender could be measured in years. Judge Harris, he just humiliated.
I heard.
Yeah, well,
Why were you there?
I was curious.
그렇게 그녀에게 코피의 변호를 부탁하게 됩니다.
What was Robin's car that he stole? Weird, but so I just wanted to see the kid, and I know he did a very bad thing, but nobody should be treated like that. I was ashamed of us, of this building, and I know I can't help everybody, but I would like to help Kofi Jones.
그리고 그날 밤 애덤이 기름을 넣었던 주유소의 주인을 찾아가는데
I went to your gas station tonight. I got there just as you were leaving, and I followed you here.
You fucking followed me?
My wife is cheating on me, and I'm reduced to snooping around her fucking purse.
What'd you find?
Prepaid credit card. There was a $32 charge at your gas station.
So she came into my station, she bought some gas, filled up.
She didn't have her car that morning, Leland. I had it.
Oh, God damn.
You know what the next charge was on the credit card? The Destiny Inn Motel.
Oh, fuck me. Shit. Well, so she paid for the motel. She paid for the bastard's gas at my station.
Well, that's where you come in.
감쪽 같은 거짓말로 주유소의 CCTV를 확인하게 되는데요.
Any second now, 8:30.
Leland, give me a second. I want to get this over.
Sure.
Leland, this saved anywhere else besides the hard drive?
Nope. What you see is what I got.
그렇게 다른 영상이 남아있는지까지 철저하게 확인한 뒤 완벽하게 증거를 인멸하게 됩니다. 한편 리는 감옥에 갇힌 코피를 찾아가게 되는데요.
I'm thinking probably the last thing you want is a smart lawyer fucking with you. You made a decision to plead guilty. I respect that. I'm here for one reason only, to keep the number of years down. The sentencing range is 5 to 30. There's a hell of a lot of discretion built in there. So what's said on your behalf really matters.
I'm all paying for you.
There's an urban myth. Shreveport cops using an Obita car to put suspects in. They lock the doors, hog-tie the poor bastards, then they let in the gas.
Stop.
Not a mark on them. Only thing that shows, the eyes. Red, itchy.
Stop.
Sure. Urban myth, right?
그의 눈을 보고 고문을 당했다는 사실을 알게 되고 그 사실을 이용해 코피의 공소 자체를 취소시켜버릴 계획을 세우고 있었죠.
New York Times, I'm thinking, would be my paper of choice for this.
For what?
17-year-old who killed mob boss's son faced mock execution at a New Orleans Police Department black site. Headline writes itself.
하지만 찰리는 이 상황이 불편하기만 했는데요.
Lee Delamere? What the hell you thinking, Michael?
She'll get the case tossed and the whole thing dies, Charlie.
You sure? Oh, Jesus Christ. And if she doesn't, you think she's just gonna up and walk away? She's a Michael Desiato protege, for God's sake. What have you got me into here, Michael? This is a felony.
Okay, listen.
No, Michael. Listen to me. Fuck you!
I got it. I got all of it, Charlie.
마이클은 어떻게든 무고한 코피가 다치지 않게 상황을 해결하고 싶었습니다. 그리고 리를 만나 그녀의 계획을 듣게 되죠.
Okay, so how are you going to win?
The DA is in his office right now, asking himself one of those questions that comes along roughly once in the career of a man like him. Does he want a police brutality scandal in the city, or would he prefer it went away? And the only way he can make it go away is if he drops the charges.
다음 날 로코의 장례식이 열리게 되는데요.
He will be here. I'm not burying my son without my son.
Mom.
그들에게는 중범죄를 저지르고 감옥에 수감되어 있는 또 다른 아들 칼로가 있었죠.
O God, by whose mercy the faithful departed find rest, bless this grave and send your holy angel to watch over it. In Christ our Lord.
그리고 장례에 참석하러 나온 칼로에게 다가가는데
Ma'am, we've got to keep at least 25 yards.
I'm his mother and his mother. Let me hold my son.
You have mothers. You all have mothers.
그렇게 아들에게 귓속말로 은밀한 메시지를 전하게 됩니다. 그리고 그 모습을 지켜본 마이클은 코피가 위험에 처했다는 것을 깨닫게 되는데요.
You've got a prisoner headed your way.
Yeah, hang on. No, I don't have any transfers today.
Well, it must be last minute. Got himself a compassionate release. Anyway, he's headed your way now.
Please do us a favor and move
Jones, Kofi Jones, into protective custody until Baxter goes back to Angola.
I got it. We'll keep for him.
그 시각 코피도 칼로가 그곳으로 이감된 것을 알게 되는데요.
Carlo Baxter.
그리고 그곳의 간수들 또한 백스터 일가의 손에 장악당해 있었죠.
Jones, let's go. The infirmary, intake physical.
Looked up every hole. What else they want with me?
Your sheet says intake physical, so where we fucking go?
그렇게 그를 향한 본격적인 위협이 시작되는데요.
Hey! Hey! Stop! Stop!
What's going on in here?
They're trying to kill me.
It's crazy as a shithouse rat. We're just doing our jobs here.
Come back later.
힘없는 코피가 그들의 위협에 맞설 방법은 오직 하나뿐이었는데
There's all different kinds of juice in this world. Forgetting small shit done. There's the juice you need out on the streets. And then there's Baxter juice. That shit plays everywhere. You can't go up against that juice and win. Not Desire.
So what do I do?
이제는 스스로의 힘으로 그에게 맞설 수밖에 없었습니다.
I'm Kofi Jones.
하지만 칼로에게 맞선 대가는 정해진 것이나 마찬가지였죠.
The boy that they arrested, he died.
What happened?
I don't know. But what I do know is this didn't have anything to do with what you've done or I've done.
하지만 코피의 죽음을 알게 된 애덤은 심각한 죄책감에 시달리기 시작하는데요. 사진이 취미였던 애덤은 사건에 연루된 자신의 흔적을 사진으로 남기고 사건 현장의 사진을 찍으며 죄책감을 더욱 키우고 있었죠. 그리고 자신의 여자친구를 찾아가게 되는데요.
You know why my shoulder's like it is? I hit someone.
You got in a fight?
My car.
Wait, you...
Shut up. Please let me do this.
Adam, you can't tell me this because if you do...
That kid? The one that got killed?
No, Adam!
It was me. He was, but then he just... And I left him.
결국 그녀에게 모든 진실을 털어놓게 됩니다. 한편 소식을 들은 지미는 칼로를 만나러 가는데
Days left on your sentence, and you do this? Fucking motherfucker killed my brother. I was taking care of it! That's not what Mom said.
교도소에서 사람을 죽이는 중범죄를 저질렀지만 교도관과 경찰까지 장악한 지미의 인맥으로 사건은 간단히 덮여버리고 맙니다.
No puncture wounds, so looks like someone beat the crap out of him.
Well, that's sure a headline I don't like. It seems like there's a better one.
JK 10181, pending talk screen, preliminary findings listed as undetermined.
하지만 리는 이대로 포기할 생각이 없었죠.
I saw Kofi Jones last night. Today he's dead. What happened, Royce? He's my client. Was he on suicide watch?
All I can give you is what I got. A dead kid. It's a tragedy. I'm getting to the bottom of it.
Yeah, fine. You want to do something for your client? Jones's intake property.
Wait, you haven't even spoken to the family yet?
그리고 마이클과 함께 유족들을 찾아가게 되는데
That's my angel from Tulane and Bra. You see him? Nothing that happened to Kofi was right. Not from the start. Why they have to do that to him? You know what?
슬퍼하는 그들에게 그저 코피의 유품을 전해주는 일밖에 해줄 수 없었죠.
Mariano Rivera.
It's the greatest closer in the history of the game.
그리고 모든 일이 마무리됐다고 생각한 마이클은 오랜만에 가족과 지인들을 모아 저녁 식사를 하게 되죠.
Hi.
I don't believe we've met.
I believe Delamere. Yeah.
Elizabeth is my mother-in-law. Here, sit.
하지만 식사 자리에서는 불편한 이야기가 오가기 시작하는데요.
The kid I was representing, he died in OPP. Actually, he was murdered after being tortured by the NOPD.
Is that the right word?
The world is working very hard to describe this child's death as something of no interest, him as someone of no value.
What kind of torture?
Adam.
What'd they do to him?
CS gas pumped through a hose into a locked vehicle with him hogtied inside.
What did this young man do?
What, did he get tortured?
To get arrested.
불안한 상황에 낑낑대는 강아지를 진정시키려 하는데
Django!
He stole a car.
Django!
Mom's car.
Wait, you knew about this?
The car was used at a hit and run.
Django! God damn it. Come on, get it out. Out! Go outside. The hell is so important back here?
Is that blood?
무슨 일인지 그날 버린 피 묻은 수건이 남아 있었죠. 결국 식사 자리는 불편한 분위기로 끝나게 되고 장모님은 두 사람에게 서운함을 털어놓기 시작하는데요.
I was disappointed you didn't call on the anniversary. At the end of the day, I went to see her. No flowers, no cards, nothing. Only a year, and she's forgotten. Did you leave a note for your mom at the grave on the anniversary?
Yeah, a card.
Did you write it, or did your father?
Me? Why?
What'd you write?
I love you. Always will.
And you left it there for her.
Yeah.
완벽하게 만들어둔 그날의 알리바이가 생각지도 못하게 흔들리고 있었습니다. 그리고 죄책감에 시달리는 애덤은 사건의 진상을 숨기려 하는 아빠가 원망스러웠죠.
You've got your whole life ahead of you. And I know...
You didn't even tell me that he was tortured.
I couldn't. I thought it was best. I didn't tell you all the sordid details.
You get to decide what I get to know, when I get to know it.
Yes, I decide what the truth is.
Get the lie. But can you just one time, just say it, just admit that you know what happened?
You want to know the truth? A gang member stole our car and was involved in a hit and run and killed a boy. That gang member was tortured by the police. He pled guilty and went to jail, and he died in jail. I am your father. I am being your father.
그리고 집을 나서서 로코의 추모식을 보러 가게 되는데 그곳에서 로코의 누나인 소피아를 만나게 됩니다.
Sorry. It's okay.
한편 지미는 아들의 추모식에 맞춰 또 다른 계획을 준비하고 있었는데요. 바로 코피의 가족에게까지 잔혹한 복수를 해주는 것이었습니다. 불행 중 다행으로 집을 비웠던 유진은 살아남았지만 하루아침에 가족들을 모두 잃어버리고 마는데요. 그리고 완전히 선을 넘어버린 이번 사건을 보고 디자이어 갱단의 보스인 마더가 직접 나서게 됩니다.
Now I got this baby with holes in his heart where his family used to be, and a mob boss motherfucker with a blowtorch. Now we go to war. It's your ass.
한편 형을 마치고 출소한 칼로는 집으로 돌아오게 되는데요.
You look... What? Older.
그리고 돌아오자마자 또 다른 사업을 벌일 궁리를 하기 시작했죠.
Fentanyl cut with heroin. You tried that shit? You give me that shit. It's too beautiful to even touch.
그리고 그 시각 재판을 진행하던 마이클은 거슬리는 휴대폰 소리를 듣게 되는데
Jesus, please, come on.
무슨 일인지 휴대폰은 자신의 탁상 서랍에 들어있었죠. 그렇게 의문의 인물에게 협박을 당하기 시작하는데요.
Call Adam.
This is Adam. Leave a message.
Where are you, son? Call me.
모든 진실을 아는 듯한 협박범의 정체를 짐작조차 할 수 없었죠. 그 시각 애덤은 또다시 소피아와 우연히 만나게 되는데
Hey.
I know you, right?
Rocco's memorial.
I'm his sister. What are you doing?
College interview tomorrow, so I'm just,
Reading David Foster Wallace. Of course, the interview scene at the start. Where are you applying?
NYU. My mom went there.
And she wants you to repeat her past.
Yeah, she's dead. So.
Sorry.
두 사람에게는 사랑하는 가족을 잃은 아픈 공통점이 있었죠. 자신이 로코를 죽게 만든 장본인인데도 불구하고 애덤은 점점 그녀에게 끌리기 시작합니다. 한편 마더는 직접 지미를 찾아가 단판을 짓게 되는데요.
I didn't invite you to my hotel.
Who invited you to Famale Jones's house? Tragedy in it all. Did it for nothing. So, I come down here to help you get your facts straight. Lil Mo got a call that stole that Volvo the day after your son was killed. Lil Mo told Kofi to steal that car on October 10th. Kofi was arrested on October 10th. Your son was killed when? 9th.
이상하게 흘러가는 상황에 의문을 느낀 지미는 진실을 캐묻게 되고
I don't give a fuck how you made it look. I want how it was. Forensics at the scene?
He was driving a car. He pled guilty. He confessed. It's done.
Done? This is my son we're talking about. Do not fucking insult me with police shit. I want the truth.
그들이 수사조차 하지 않고 무고한 범인을 만든 것을 알게 됩니다.
It's a flash drive. It's all there. All the evidence we got.
Is the call on there? The 911 call?
It's on there.
그리고 아들의 911 통화 기록을 들어보며 진범이 주유소에 들렸다는 사실을 알게 되는데요.
Judd, the 911 call came from a cell tower in Shellnat. There's 3 gas stations.
그렇게 주변의 주유소를 뒤져 애덤이 들렸던 주유소를 찾아내게 됩니다.
This fella here.
Yeah.
You sure about that?
You the guy who's been running around with his wife?
What are you talking about?
He came here, wanted to see the surveillance video from my camera. Said he's looking for the guy who's been sleeping with his wife.
You still have the footage?
Got erased.
By who?
Dylan Thomas, this guy right here.
He deleted the footage.
Yeah.
그리고 주인의 이야기를 들은 지미는 마이클이 아들을 죽였다고 생각하게 되죠. 그 시각 협박범은 또 다른 증거 영상을 보내며 마이클을 압박하는데 이 영상을 찍을 수 있는 사람은 그날 주유소에 들렸던 애덤의 뒷차 주인뿐이었죠. 그렇게 협박범의 차 번호를 알게 되고 낸시를 찾아가는데
Green Toyota Camry.
Yeah, that's all she has.
And these are the first 3 numbers of the license?
Right, that's all she could remember.
차량의 주인이 자신이 맡은 사건의 중요한 증인이라고 주장하며 그녀에게 번호 조회를 부탁하게 됩니다. 원래라면 민간인의 정보를 조회하는 것은 불법이지만
I gotta go to the bathroom. Keep an eye.
마이클을 믿고 있는 그녀는 남몰래 도와주게 되죠. 그렇게 협박범의 주소를 알아내고 그의 집을 찾아가게 되는데
You got some grub, bub? Hey. Edward, I've got some groceries for you.
하지만 그곳에 있는 사람은 치매에 걸린 노인이었죠.
Danny! Well, I'll be dogged. Nobody told me you were coming.
뭔가 이상함을 느끼고 그곳을 떠나려 하는데
Now look, you got everything now, so I'll...
You're leaving? Rest your bones. And how you been?
To be honest, Ed, I've been better.
It's hard all over. But if you can't bear your soul to family, then I don't know what's what.
노인의 말에 생각지도 못한 위로를 받게 되고 누구에게도 말할 수 없는 고민을 털어놓게 됩니다.
I've got a man trying to ruin my life. I've got secrets I could never tell anyone. My son.
Children are God's gift.
At that level of can just crack you open, make you someone you never thought you'd be.
You remember when Trevor was born? Everything about him was wrong. Lorraine, she had a terrible time getting him out because he was ass first. 67 cigarettes.
What?
I counted every one of them till someone come and said I was a father, pacing in the hall outside the delivery room.
Your son.
Fucked up before, during, and after he was born.
그리고 노인의 아들에 대한 이야기를 캐묻게 되는데
He's living in Algiers now, right? Got a job driving?
He stole my Camry. If you see him, you tell him I'm calling the police, the real police.
그렇게 협박범의 정체가 그의 아들이라는 것을 알게 됩니다.
67 cigarettes. Steals my Camry.
그런데 마이클을 범인으로 의심하는 지미가 부활을 시켜 그를 미행하고 있었죠. 그리고 그날 밤 마이클은 협박범의 차에 직접 타게 되는데
Listen, sorry, I called for a car, but my phone died and...
그리고 그가 했던 것과 같은 방식으로 그에게 경고를 남기게 됩니다.
Are you gonna get that or what?
It's not mine. I think it's coming from...
Hello?
Trevor, noon tomorrow. Venice Marina. If you want your money,
You'll be there, unarmed and alone.
한편 리는 여전히 코피의 죽음을 파헤치고 있었는데요.
Genevieve Lewis, 36. 15 for the robbery, 5 for the firearm, plus up to 10 for each assault.
I was messed up.
You got anything else I could give the judge at your sentencing so we could get your years down?
We?
My firm charges about $1,000 an hour. I might be able to do this for about $1,000 cheaper than that.
My cell's about to throw the C block. I saw Jones pass by that night. A few minutes after he passed, I heard the guards yelling. Jones was dead.
Do you know which inmate he went to meet?
Carlo Baxter.
그렇게 칼로가 그를 죽였다는 정황을 듣게 되고 그녀가 따로 의뢰한 코피의 부검 결과까지 나오며 의심은 확신으로 변하게 되죠. 그 시각 마이클은 협박범을 만나러 나와 있었는데
Lee? Yeah, look, I can't talk right now.
We got Carlo Baxter's DNA on Kofi.
Oh, that's great. I gotta call you back.
그에게 보트를 선물하는 대가로 입을 막을 생각이었죠.
Holy shit, you bought me the boat.
Trevor, I'm a judge. There's one thing I've learned about blackmailers is they always come back for more. So no, I didn't buy you a boat. I financed it. If you stick to our agreement, I will make the monthly installments. If you ever come back to me for more money or that video sees the light of day, the payments will stop. The bank will repossess the boat and you'll go back to living your selfish little life. Do we have an agreement?
Fuck yes, we have an agreement.
Paperwork's in the car.
그런데 결국 그를 미행하던 지미에게 붙잡히고 마는데요.
There must be a misunderstanding.
The only misunderstanding is that you left my son to die alone in the gutter. What I can't understand is how anyone in their right mind could do such a thing.
I know your car was stolen the day after you killed my son.
I know you deleted the gas station footage. So let's just skip your denying everything. Get to where I shoot you in the fucking head.
죽을 위기에 처한 그는 필사적으로 살아남을 방법을 떠올리게 됩니다.
Carlo! He's about to be arrested for the murder of Kofi Jones. He's going to stand trial. Video evidence and DNA. I can make sure that his case is in my court. I can make sure that he walks out a free man.
그렇게 칼로를 무죄로 만들어준다는 말로 겨우 목숨을 건지게 되죠.
What does this person know?
Everything.
한편 칼로는 약을 판매하는 사업을 재개하기 위해 마더와 거래하려 하는데요.
Made me lie. I'm asking 100 a kilo. I got 6 to sell. Just so dope, you'll double your bills. So try it, spread it around.
Y'all ain't the only one up in your game. That's 200 G's.
Cool. I'm not carrying product. Come back in a few hours.
그렇게 호텔에 두고 온 물건을 가지러 다시 돌아가게 되죠. 그리고 지미는 칼로에게 연락해 상황을 알리려 하는데
Pick up the phone.
Yeah, leave a message.
Don't go to the hotel. Get away from the hotel.
하지만 지미의 메시지를 듣지 못하고 호텔에 도착하고 말았죠.
Carlo, come and kiss your mother.
Go get this stuff.
Hey.
Get him out of there! Carlo! Now! Go!
결국 그곳에서 대기하던 경찰에게 붙잡히고 마는데요.
Carlo Baxter, you're under arrest.
For what?
What's your name? Step back, ma'am.
I want your name.
Detective Costello. Mrs. Baxter.
Why are you arresting my son?
I think you know the answer to that.
그 사이 마이클은 지미의 부하와 함께 시체의 뒤처리를 하게 되는데 전화 한 통에 그의 목숨이 결정되는 상황이었죠.
Hey. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I understand. We need you.
그렇게 체포된 칼로의 재판을 맡게 되고 이제 그들과 한 배를 타는 수밖에 없었습니다. 그리고 아들이 그랬다는 것만은 숨기기 위해 자신이 모든 죄를 덮어쓰기로 하는데요.
It's amazing what a man can do with the will to survive. Hitting someone with your car and leaving them bleeding to death in the road. What does that take?
Rocco crossed over into my lane.
Why didn't you turn yourself in?
I wanted to. I went there to do just that, and then I saw you with your wife.
If you don't come through for Carlo, cut your heart fucking heart out, and feed it to the river, it would be the easiest thing in the world to...
이제 살아남기 위해서는 칼로를 무죄로 만드는 수밖에 없었습니다. 그로부터 며칠 후 칼로의 기소 심사가 열리게 되는데요.
All rise. All rise. Court is in session.
Carlo Baxter, to the count of murder in the first degree, how do you plead?
Not guilty.
All right.
피고는 칼로의 보석을 요구했지만 검찰의 반대 의견에 부딪히게 되는데
Fuck you up the ass. Mr. Baxter's response to being Mirandized. It's a way better articulation about his attitude to being held in custody than anything I can come up with. He's about as near to the perfect definition of a flight risk since El Chapo got cuffed.
I agree.
Go fuck yourself.
You know, I think it's good to get your feelings out, Mr. Baxter. Man to man and everything. But if you do it again, I will have you arrested for contempt of court. Do you understand me, Mr. Baxter?
그렇게 칼로가 기소되며 시작부터 꼬이는 듯 보였지만
What the fuck?
I have to make this look legit.
What the fuck?
Why do you think I told you to go fuck yourself, right?
사실 두 사람이 적대하는 것처럼 보이게 하려는 수작이었죠.
I hate you, you hate me. It's beautiful.
No one is going to question my integrity if I get this trial.
If?
When? It's okay. It's all right. We're fine now.
하지만 그의 재판을 맡으려는 계획에 차질이 생기게 되는데요.
Sarah LeBlanc will be trying Carlo Baxter.
She'll do a great job.
지금까지 칼로를 전담해온 판사인 세라에게 사건이 넘어가고 맙니다. 하지만 마이클은 이미 다음 계획을 준비하고 있었는데요.
Michael? You okay?
Well, this is what we used to do, by the way. Robin and I, we used to come sit side by side in this very bar, and we would just make our way through the best top shelf single malts.
Yep, on your birthday.
I forgot, it is my birthday.
그렇게 그의 생일을 축하하며 가볍게 술을 마시게 되죠. 그리고 돌아가는 길에 기다렸다는 듯 음주 측정을 하는데 사실 그녀가 재판을 맞지 못하게 만들기 위해 두 사람이 꾸민 계략이었죠. 그렇게 방해물을 제거한 마이클은 이번에야말로 진짜 생일 파티를 즐기게 됩니다. 그리고 다음 날 아무것도 모르는 척 그녀를 찾아가 설득하게 되는데
Did you talk to your professional responsibility lawyer?
Rehab in exchange for charges dropped and arrest record expunged.
What do you think?
I think I don't have a drinking problem.
So you haven't seen it then?
Seen what?
I'm gonna need you to take a field sobriety test, man.
CYXW, go fuck yourself. How's that?
이미 그들이 퍼뜨린 영상이 인터넷에 퍼져 있었죠.
Rehab.
Could be worse.
You know why I don't want to lose the Baxter trial?
Cops, crime families, politicians, you left out one group. Judges. The judges in this building cannot be trusted. Am I right?
Save one.
그리고 그녀가 믿는 유일한 한 명의 판사는 바로 마이클이었습니다. 그렇게 그녀의 믿음을 저버리고 재판에 판사를 맡게 되는데요.
Of Carlo Baxter's violent racist nature, I can prove that he had a clear motive for killing Kofi Jones.
검찰 측은 칼로가 차별을 일삼았으며 의도적으로 코피를 죽였다고 주장하고 있었죠.
And that he orchestrated his one-night stay in Orleans Parish Prison to employ that violent nature and act on that motive.
그리고 변호 측에서는 칼로의 정당방위를 주장하는데
Inside OPP, a man has 10 feet by 6 feet that he can call home. Home was his cell at Orleans Parish Prison.
Objection.
Jesus.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I can't let this go.
This is my opening, Your Honor.
He knows there's case law specifically excluding prison and jail cells from the definition of home in self-defense cases.
I'm not using the term in a technical legal sense. I'm appealing to their common sense.
It's misleading in law.
그가 있던 독방이 그의 집과 다름없었다고 주장하며 그곳에 먼저 들어온 코피의 잘못으로 몰아가게 되죠.
A killer walked into his home. And we know this because only days before he pleaded guilty to causing the death of Carlo's younger brother, Rocco.
그리고 재판을 지켜본 배심원 한 명이 쪽지를 남기게 되는데
Who wrote this?
I found it in his envelope laying on the table in the jury room.
Tell them I'll answer it at the end of evidence.
It's a done deal. Carlo's going down.
사실 감옥에서 정당방위가 성립되지 않는다는 판례가 있었고 이 질문에 대답한다면 재판은 불리해질 것이 당연했죠. 그리고 재판이 이어지며 증인들이 증언을 시작하는데
You know this man?
Yeah, he jumped me on the street
Why'd he do that?
for being there and being black. He broke my spine.
누가 봐도 칼로가 인질자로 보일 만한 상황이었지만 마이클은 증인을 돕는 척 노련하게 그의 약점을 찾기 시작했죠.
I do have a question. You have scarring from the attack, is that true?
Yes.
And from the surgeries. And they're on your back, is that right?
Yeah.
And the scar on the side of your neck, is that also from the attack or the surgeries?
It's a tattoo.
Sorry, I couldn't make it out from here. My apologies.
May I? The letter D. Are you a member of a gang?
Objection. Justin James is not the one on trial here.
I will allow this question.
D for
Desire.
Desire. Is that the same gang that Kofi Jones was a member of? I'm guessing that Carlo Baxter is not very popular with the Desire crew that you run with and are loyal to. No further questions, Your Honor?
그리고 재판이 종료된 뒤 쪽지를 남긴 배심원을 찾기 시작하는데요. 그렇게 필적을 대조해 배심원을 찾아내고 재판 외부의 정보를 찾아봤다는 모함으로 배심원 자격을 박탈시키게 되죠.
I'm not allowed to know who accused me. That's a habeas corpus suit right there. Was it Juror 8?
I need to see your phone. Let's clear it up.
Here you go. That wasn't me.
Miss Long, I don't doubt that you had good intentions, but I gave very clear instructions.
What are you gonna do?
Replace you with an alternate.
한편 지미에게는 재판 말고도 또 다른 문제가 생기게 되는데요.
We doing drop-ins now?
The Baxters don't.
Some Baxters do.
The drugs are gone.
See now, that's not gonna work. They bought and paid for.
Send an evidence locker at the police station together with the. You want it? Go get it.
칼로가 물건을 가지러 가다가 체포되며 거래가 틀어졌고 그의 동료인 조이가 물건을 가지고 도망치는 바람에 약속한 물건도 줄 수 없었죠.
I'm gonna be made whole, either by you or Carlo.
The 150, that's on you. As for Carlo,
Looks like you and me ain't in the problem-solving business today.
자칫하면 갱단 간의 전쟁이 터질 상황에 어떻게든 사라진 조이를 찾아야 했는데요. 하지만 약을 빼돌린 뒤 도피 생활을 하던 조이는 목숨이 위험에 처하자 경찰을 찾아가 자수하고 맙니다.
I've been hiding out 3 months. I'm out of money, out of drugs, and this morning they found me.
Who are you running from? Give me the words, Joey.
Jimmy Baxter.
Carlo gets arrested for murder and Jimmy comes after you.
There may have been some fentanyl. Okay? A side deal.
Hence the 150 on Carlo.
그리고 칼로가 해준 이야기를 모두 털어놓게 되는데요.
Carlo bragged about killing Kofi. He told me that the kid came to his cell and he split his head open like a watermelon.
His words. The watermelon?
His words. I know a lot more than just this trial. So give me a good fucking deal, because this is just the start.
그가 증인으로 나선다면 칼로의 무죄는 불가능한 일이었죠.
Joey Maldini connects all the dots, corroborates every aspect of the prosecution's case, and puts a skewer right through the heart of the whole self-defense idea.
그리고 초조해진 지미는 마이클을 만나게 되는데
he knows Kofi wasn't driving. My guess is that Joey would want to talk about that on the stand. Or maybe then people start looking for who was driving. My family's not losing another child. There's nothing I wouldn't do. Nothing. So if you don't like it, I really don't give a fuck. And if there's trial fallout, well, that's your department, isn't it?
Joey's a junkie. He'll just be stepping off a little early.
그들은 불리한 증인인 조이를 제거할 생각이었습니다.
When we go back into court, I will rule that the witness can testify. You have Johnny Zander ask for a recess until tomorrow to prepare for cross. A fair request. He'll have the night. How you get to him? Well, that's your department, isn't it?
한편 애덤과 소피아의 관계는 점점 더 가까워지고 어느새 두 사람은 연인 사이가 되어 있었는데요.
Hey, so, I'm sure you checked me out online.
Your dad.
Whatever you read about him is lies.
그리고 마이클과 지미의 수상한 만남을 계속 지켜보던 낸시는 그가 마이클의 가족을 협박하고 있다고 생각하게 되는데
Hey, I see you.
Excuse me?
I want you to stay away from them. Michael, Adam.
Adam?
Don't pretend you don't know who I'm talking about. You fuck with him, you fuck with me.
그렇게 소피아가 새로 사귄 남자친구가 바로 마이클의 아들이란 사실을 알게 되고 복잡하게 얽혀있는 이 관계를 의심하기 시작합니다. 그리고 다음 날 마이클은 예정대로 조이를 증인석에 세우게 되는데
This might be the hardest decision I've ever had to make as a judge. I've listened to both sides' arguments with great care, but there's one more thing that I need to know before I decide. Joey Maldini, and I need to know for myself that he's up to this.
그렇게 중독에 시달리는 그와 단 둘이 자리를 만들게 되죠.
I'm Michael Desiato. I'm presiding over this trial. Look a little nervous, young man.
그리고 그를 걱정해주는 척 약을 탄 물을 먹이게 되는데
I'm going to grant the state's application to call Joey Maldini.
Your Honor, defense requests a recess until tomorrow so we can prepare for cross.
No. The witness is ready now.
하지만 진정제를 먹은 조이는 증언할 상태가 아니었죠.
Yeah, so the Baxters kind of took me in. They were a good family.
So you two stayed close?
Absolutely.
But here you are testifying against him.
Where I come from, you don't snitch. You just don't. But I can't keep living like this.
Like what? Like what?
But when your own family...
Objection. The Baxter family is not on trial here.
If Mr. Xander's gonna have a problem with
You
that...
may have bigger problems, Miss McKee. Let's get this man some medical attention, please.
그렇게 지미가 직접 손쓰기 전에 조이의 증인 자격을 박탈해버리게 됩니다.
I thought that I had made sure that the witness was well enough to testify, but I was wrong. But what really matters is that the defense wasn't able to cross-examine him, so everything he said hasn't been tested. So get rid of the entire idea of him from your minds. For our purposes, Joey Maldini never existed.
한편 사건을 따로 조사하던 리는 놀라운 사실을 알게 되는데요.
What's this?
Results from Kofi's GED exam.
Say Phil.
Look at the date, though. Look at the time. Kofi was busy failing his GED exam at the same time that Rocco Baxter was killed, which means Kofi covered for someone. Desire asked him to take the fall, so it has to be someone in the crew who killed Rocco.
이 증거를 제출한다면 코피가 로코를 죽였다는 누명을 완전히 벗길 수 있었죠. 그리고 진상을 밝히기 위해 직접 마더를 찾아가게 되는데
Kofi Jones took the fall for Desire. He died for you.
Spit it out, girl. What you want?
I keep quiet about your deal with the NOPD. You tell me who was driving the car that hit Rocco Baxter.
I don't know who killed that Baxter boy.
Why would I believe that? But you know how to find out.
No, I don't. And that's all you need to know.
그들은 정말로 사건의 진범을 모르는 눈치였습니다.
It wasn't Desire.
Kofi took that car the day after that Baxter boy was killed.
그리고 다음 날 다시 한번 재판이 열리게 되는데요.
Tell us what happened that night.
The kid who killed my brother shows up in my cell. And I knew then. I knew he'd come to kill me.
And?
He had a hold of my balls. Do you know what that feels like? Squeezing. Hard. I never known pain like it.
Carlo, how are your balls?
Okay now?
Back then on the day.
Real bad?
So painful you thought you were going to die.
That's why I had to do what I had to do.
And what did the doctor say?
I didn't see a doctor yet.
Why not?
Just didn't.
So there's no independent record of the injuries you say you suffered?
칼로는 여전히 정당방위를 주장했지만 증거는 하나도 없는 상황이었죠. 그리고 사건 당일 있었던 일을 증언하게 되는데요.
I was scared. I told Joe. And then he came at me.
And then you shut the door?
He did.
You're sure?
100%.
The shutting of the cell door that made you feel it was life and death, that Kofi was there to kill you and you had to defend yourself.
Yes.
And after the fight, Kofi walked out.
That's right.
그런데
How?
I don't understand.
Well, the thing about the cell doors at OPP is when you shut them, they lock. And they stay locked until a guard with a key comes to open them. Kofi couldn't have left that cell. Kofi Jones walks through locked doors? Or you're a liar?
사실 이 신문은 그의 거짓말을 이끌어내기 위한 그녀의 작전이었죠. 그리고 그의 유죄를 확정지을 중요한 증거 또한 가지고 있었습니다.
There's Kofi. It's Carlo's cell. You tell us when you see the door close. Watch this.
그리고 그 시각 낸시는 마이클의 알리바이를 다시 확인하기 위해 사건 당일 그가 만났던 참전 용사를 찾아가는데
Any recollection of a father and teenage son? It'd be about early October. They come and visit his wife's graves.
Yeah, he said, I'm sorry, I only give money if it's for booze or dope. Bastard made me laugh. Worth way more than $1, especially that day.
그는 그날 있었던 일을 생생하게 기억하고 있었죠.
My buddy, Jackie Johnson, died in my arms. October 10th, 1965.
Not October 9.
10-10-65 defined my life. You think I'd get something like that wrong?
그에게 매우 특별한 날이었던 10월 11일 잊을 리 없었습니다. 그리고 그의 증언을 들은 낸시는 마이클이 알리바이를 조작한 것을 깨닫게 되는데요.
There must be some mistake. Look, I don't know what you think you're doing, detective, but you come in here and you start interrogating me?
Yeah, I know that sound. Anger and righteousness combined? It's how liars hide their lies.
결국 궁지에 몰린 그는 찰리에게 모든 것을 털어놓게 됩니다.
Why didn't you tell me, brother? I could have been there for you. The trial. It looks like Carlo is going down. You got a problem with that? I needed to be not guilty. Oh my God. They got to you. They have you. Yeah, but they think it's me. Anybody else? Nancy Costello. Pretty sure she knows. And you would take the hit. He's my son.
그리고 그의 말을 들은 찰리는 낸시를 만나러 가는데
It was Adam. Adam killed Rocco and ran. Michael did what he did to protect his child.
What do you want?
Your help. Polls are looking good.
친구인 그를 위하는 것처럼 보였지만 사실 얼마 남지 않은 시장 선거 때문이었죠.
I'm gonna clean this city up. I'm offering you the support of the mayor in a campaign to clean up a whole fucked up police department top to bottom.
그렇게 부패한 경찰들을 청소해주는 대가로 그녀와 거래하게 됩니다. 그리고 중요한 단서를 얻은 리가 그를 찾아오는데요.
Kofi didn't go to Cell Block C to attack Carlo. He went to clear up a misunderstanding.
Which was?
He didn't kill Rocco. He didn't steal your car that day.
Kofi told you that.
Eugene.
Eugene.
그리고 이 내용을 증언할 증인으로 유진을 내세울 생각이었죠.
You saying he's lying?
You're saying I am? Kofi was a gangbanger. His brother is a gangbanger. And you're taking what he's saying seriously.
That's him. My great ghost. It was you at our front door the day Mom was in court.
So you couldn't...
Alan.
So it wasn't you. Please, just tell me it wasn't you. Please, Michael.
I swear it wasn't me.
So if it wasn't Kofi, it wasn't Desire...
Lee, please,
If
no.
it wasn't you, then who else had access?
그리고 그제야 그녀도 이 사건의 진상을 깨닫게 되는데요.
Nancy Costello's number, just push it. Maybe you can drive him yourself. You're hesitating. Is it because you know what will happen to him?
This is about justice.
Justice? Down there? If you don't want a stain on your soul, kill Adam, cleanse your soul.
누구보다 강직한 판사였던 마이클은 아들의 목숨 앞에서 전혀 다른 사람이 되어 있었죠.
It's not my soul that needs cleansing, Michael. It's yours.
Listen, I'll go to the police.
But it was me. It was me, please. I don't want to be this person, but he is my son because I value my own life so much less than the life of my child. Am I a bad person?
Their mother are dead because of you.
I've done terrible things, but I'm so ashamed.
But you can make sure that justice is served.
유진을 증인으로 세운다면 지금이라도 이를 바로잡을 수 있었습니다. 하지만 그가 선택한 것은
Prosecution's case is closed. It cannot be reopened. This witness is not permitted to testify.
정의로운 판사가 아닌 비겁한 아버지로 남는 것이었죠.
Not the man I thought he was.
Yeah, but you promised me. I believed you.
그리고 칼로의 무죄를 굳히기 위한 마지막 증거를 공개하게 되는데
These are Rocco Baxter's last moments. This is what another 17-year-old boy, Kofi Jones, would have heard after he stole a car and hit Rocco.
그렇게 애덤이 저지른 죄를 완전히 코피에게 덮어씌우게 됩니다. 결국 마지막 증거가 배심원들의 마음을 뒤집게 되는데요.
In the case of GKL 14179, State of Louisiana against Carlo Baxter, on the single count of murder in the first degree, the jury finds the defendant Not guilty.
그렇게 칼로의 무죄가 확정되고 그들도 한시름 놓게 되는데 그때 흡입기를 사용하던 애덤을 보고 아들을 죽인 진짜 범인을 알아내게 됩니다. 그렇게 재판이 끝나고 지미는 애덤을 축하 파티에 초대하게 되는데요.
What?
He's here.
Who?
He's having a little trouble breathing. Maybe he has his inhaler with him.
Jimmy!
Maybe he doesn't. You want to watch what I do to your son? Baxter House Hotel.
Jimmy!
Come on over.
아들이 위험에 처한 것을 알고 급히 그곳으로 달려가게 됩니다.
Listen, my son is in there, and I need to give him a message, so I'll just be a moment. God damn it!
그리고 또 한 명 그곳으로 향하는 사람이 있었는데요. 유진은 마이클이 소란을 피우는 사이 몰래 파티장에 들어가게 되죠. 그리고 유진의 목적은 바로 형을 죽인 칼로에게 복수하는 것이었습니다. 그런데 총알은 칼로가 아닌 애덤에게 맞고 말았죠. 결국 죽어가는 아들을 품에 안은 채 자신이 만들어낸 비극의 결과를 마주할 수밖에 없었습니다. 끔찍한 실수를 저지른 유진은 그대로 도망쳤고 덱스터 가문은 어떻게든 이 사건을 수습하기로 했는데요.
Looks like Desire. We think Carlo was the intended target.
Carlo.
Does NOPD have any idea where he is?
We'll catch him.
뒤늦게 사태를 알아차린 디자이어 쪽에서 먼저 연락을 하게 되는데
That wasn't a sanctioned hit on your son. I never gave that order.
The shooter was a member of Desire, no?
Young men are impulsive.
If you don't have control over your men, why am I talking to you?
Like I said, I ain't give that order. So let's not make this into an all-out war.
Okay, turn him over to me.
전쟁을 원하지 않았던 그들은 우선 유진을 찾아내기로 합니다. 하지만 순순히 백스터에게 굴복할 생각은 없었는데요.
What you looking for? Not what? Who? The pussy that lives here. Where is he? If you mean little man, we ain't seen him. At least not today.
자신들의 영역에 침범한 칼로를 제압해 끌고 오게 되는데
My problem isn't with you.
You in my neighborhood. See, you thought you was gonna come down here and bust some heads open and almost got your wig split. Lucky for you, it was one of my orders. Tell me one thing. He don't know that you here now, do he?
그를 이용해 구겨졌던 자존심을 되찾기로 했죠.
You asked me if I had control over my men. Now I'm wondering if you got control over yours. If someone were to come around looking for trouble, I should assume you sent them, yeah? I got your son.
Said so.
But like I said before, young men are so impulsive. But given our situation, I'm willing to overlook all that to avoid a war that neither of us need. You handle your boy. I'll handle mine.
그렇게 칼로를 백스터에게 되돌려줘 전쟁을 피하고
Carlo.
유진을 경찰에게 넘겨 불필요한 희생도 없앨 계획이었는데요. 하지만 코피의 친구였던 조직원이 예정에 없던 행동을 하게 되는데
There's an address in there. They're gone.
Hey, yo, we here. Where you?
The little man got away.
You gotta be fucking shitting me. I'ma deal with you later.
결국 찰리와 나눴던 약속에 차질이 생길 수밖에 없었죠.
Adam Desiato was my godson. I want to be here when Rudy brings in the killer.
He in there?
He's gone.
You told me I was getting the shooter.
하지만 그녀는 이런 상황에서도 처음부터 의도한 일이었던 것처럼 당당하게 굴었는데요.
You think I'ma hand over a young black boy to the police?
So we're out of agenda items. I'm done here.
But you walking away don't make our problems disappear.
Seems to me every one of our problems disappears if you hand over Eugene Jones.
Am I not making myself clear? All we need is a solved crime. Rudy here finds another body, one that can't talk, to stand in for my guy. You need voters to feel safe when they go to cast their votes next week, yeah?
어차피 그가 신경 쓰는 건 지지자들의 여론일 뿐이란 것을 알았기에 가능한 제안이었습니다.
You declare the city safe, and I'll make for damn sure Eugene Jones is never heard from again. And what do you say, detective? When it's out of case of the year, it's Eugene's. We have it on him.
그렇게 사건은 누구의 죽음 없이 원만하게 해결되고
Looks like his own people shot him in the head down by the lake.
Now, for a lot of us, the words New Orleans have always sounded like home. Even when a brutal murder threatens to tear us apart, we find a way to come together.
이번 일로 찰리는 차기 시장 후보로서 자신의 이름을 확실히 알리게 되죠.
The perpetrator has been found and is no longer, I said no longer, a threat.
한편 눈앞에서 자식을 잃게 된 마이클은 완전히 자포자기하여 모든 걸 자백했는데
Jimmy Baxter knew about the hit and run. I had to protect Adam. When he was charged with killing Kofi Jones, I made sure the trial was in my courtroom.
In cooperation with whom?
Jimmy Baxter.
And then you rigged the trial.
I was trying to save my son.
Where's he now?
He's in custody.
결국 판사로서 이뤘던 모든 걸 잃고 죄수 신세로 몰락하게 되죠. 문제는 그 자백이 백스터 가문을 조사하던 검사들에게 방해가 될 수도 있다는 것인데요.
The transcripts must be filed under seal.
He's a judge who conspired with a mobster to corrupt a murder trial. How is that not enough for you? Michael belongs in prison.
Okay, then send him to prison for tax evasion. But this is not just about one man. I want to eradicate an entire criminal organization for good, so...
그래서 자백이 담긴 녹음을 묻어버리기로 합니다. 그리고 감옥에 갇힌 마이클은 삶의 의욕을 잃고 하루하루 죽어갔는데
Wait, hold on. Hey, last chance.
살려는 의지 없이 죽기 위해 발악하는 그를 살리기 위해 강제로 영양제를 투여해야 할 지경이었죠. 그런 그에게 백스터 가문을 조사 중이던 검사가 찾아왔는데요.
Now, I don't want to bore you with the mundanity of my caseload, but suffice it to say, your relationship with the Baxter family intrigues me.
I don't have a relationship with the Baxter family.
I am offering you a chance to help bring down the single greatest threat to New Orleans, to atone for what you have done, to help the world be a little bit better.
Okay. Then I won't help you.
하지만 처음부터 그에게 선택지 따윈 없었는데
How did you get Kofi Jones to steal the car?
I called Charlie. I told him I needed the car gone.
This is the end of his career. This is prison time. He helped you in your hour of need.
결국 하나뿐인 친구를 위해 그녀를 따르는 수밖에 없었습니다.
Yes?
You made a good decision, Michael. I'll be in touch.
모든 걸 잃은 마이클은 장모님의 집에서 신세를 지기로 하는데요.
When did you get released?
This morning.
Oh, I'm having a few people over tonight. You're welcome to join us.
No, I'm just tired.
시간이 나자마자 곧바로 찰리를 만나러 갔는데
Hey, business? Where are you going?
I'm just going to see the mayor.
He's expecting you?
He's my best friend, Desiato.
You've been banned from this building.
Look,
Turn it around.
하는 수 없이 친구를 만나보지도 못하고 나오게 됩니다. 사실 그가 쫓겨난 것은 올리비아가 미리 손을 써뒀기 때문이었죠.
So what was your plan? Just walk into the mayor's office and warn your buddy that he might be in trouble? Do you honestly think that I'd let you do that? I can't even allow you to enter the building. If you warn Charlie or anyone else, the words federal investigation to yourself in the middle of a thunderstorm, the deal's off. I got you some clothes.
I don't need clothes.
Yes, you do, because I got you a job. Standard work release. I gotta make your exit from prison look legit.
그녀가 데려간 곳은 과거에 그에게 재판을 받았던 사람이 일하는 정육점이었는데요.
You remember me, Judge? I was in your courtroom. Drug possession. Prosecutor charged me with intent to distribute. Jury gave me 14 years. You reduced that sentence to 8 months. You said good people don't belong in prison. Follow me. Driver quit last week. The job's yours if you want it.
그렇게 새 직장에서의 일에 적응하며 하루하루를 보내게 됩니다.
Yeah, it's fine. Thanks.
다음으로 배달 가게 될 곳이 하필이면 백스터 가문이 소유한 호텔이었는데
Mr. Desiato,
Via.
you're out. Would you want to join me?
No. It's strange seeing you in this place. We all lost Adam our own way.
Sometimes I think the things I miss the most are the things I didn't get to experience. There were so many conversations we never had, questions I never asked him.
비록 두렵기만 한 지미의 딸이었지만 아들의 죽음에 함께 슬퍼해주는 유일한 사람이기도 했는데요.
What would you ask him if you could?
It's kind of fucked up to say, but I would ask him, what do you think happens to us when we die? Did he believe in heaven and hell and...
You would have liked having those conversations with Adam. He enjoyed asking questions.
Well, what do you think about all that stuff?
I don't know about God and all that, but I do think that good people go where they deserve.
그녀와의 대화에서 처음으로 따뜻한 위로를 얻게 되죠. 그리고 그날 밤 그는 피아의 부름을 받고 다시 한번 호텔로 향하게 되는데
Thank you for coming back.
I don't know why I'm here.
I need to show you something.
그녀는 애덤이 죽고 집에서 나와 호텔에서 혼자 살고 있었는데요.
Come on in.
그곳에서 생각도 못한 만남을 갖게 됩니다.
This is Rocco Adam Baxter. He's your grandson.
하지만 마이클은 기쁨보다는 패닉에 휩싸이게 되는데
No.
생각도 못한 새로운 가족이 생겼고
You lied to me.
Cinnabon mission?
You should have told me.
Not my secret to tell.
하필이면 그 대상이 올리비아가 파멸에 빠뜨리려는 백스터 가문이라는 것인데요. 짐작대로 그녀는 마이클을 백스터 가문의 일원으로 만들어 내부 정보를 캐내게 만들 생각이었죠.
Inch by inch, I will get you to where I need you to go. Are you really going to fight me
What
every
exactly
step of
are
the
you
way?
asking of me?
At this moment, Michael, all I want you to do is love that baby.
그리고 다음 날 그는 다시 한번 피아의 초대를 받아 함께 피크닉에 나서게 되는데
My mom wants Rocco to be baptized.
What do you want?
Thank you for asking. You're the first person who has. Heaven, the afterlife, I never believed in that stuff. But after losing my brother and then Adam,
You want heaven to exist.
그때
Judge Desiato? You're out.
반갑지 않은 손님이 찾아왔는데요.
Hi, baby. So were you released on good time, or?
please don't be rude.
더 불편한 자리가 되기 전에 떠나기로 합니다.
I should be going.
Please don't.
No, I need to leave.
하지만 칼로는 순순히 그를 놓아줄 생각이 없었는데
Do you want to tell me what you're doing with my sister?
She reached out to me.
Yeah, she's in a tough spot right now. She needs family, not some bum who just got out of prison.
You don't see the irony of that statement?
I was young. Plus, I served my full sentence.
Not for killing Kofi Jones.
That was self-defense, remember?
그런 그에게 마이클이 뜬금없는 이야기를 해주게 됩니다.
Ever heard of Harry the Hook?
No.
You remind me of him.
그 이야기를 듣게 된 칼로는 생각이 많아지게 되는데요.
Did I get lucky last year?
How so?
The murder trial? My acquittal?
Justice was done.
If we had to do it over, you think I'd get off?
Double jeopardy, son. You can't be tried for the same crime twice.
그러자 아버지에게 레프트 훅의 해리에 대한 이야기를 해주게 되는데
In the 70s, killed a Teamster official. They had a trial. He was found not guilty. 25 years later, he was retried and convicted because the judge had been gotten to.
판사의 재량에 따라 일사부재리 원칙은 아무짝에도 쓸모없는 이야기가 될 수도 있다는 뜻이었죠.
Who told you about this?
이 이야기에 곧바로 마이클을 찾아가게 되는데요.
Find another place to drink.
I need to ask you something. When Adam killed Rocco, he was going to turn himself in that night. But then I saw you there, and I turned around. Everything that I did, everything that happened, flowed from that one moment that if we had come forward, right then, told the truth, Adam killed Rocco, what would you have done?
그는 자신이 다른 선택을 했으면 애덤을 살릴 수 있었을지를 궁금해했는데
When you saw me at the police station, what did you see?
You were in a hallway with your wife.
Then you watched me lose my son.
Yes.
Did I react differently than you'd expect a man to react?
No.
And why did you choose to see me as a monster?
I knew who you were.
그런 마이클에게 들려줄 이야기는 정해져 있었죠.
If someone comes from my family, I promise that whatever you've seen or heard about me would pale in comparison to what I'm actually capable of. But this was an accident. If you and Adam had come to me with honesty and contrition, how could I have responded with violence? Adam ran because he was afraid. His fear was entirely forgivable. It was your fear that got him killed.
그렇게 후회에 사로잡힌 그를 두고 나오게 되는데요.
Jim, if this kid had come forward that night,
I would have killed him with my own hands.
순전히 자식의 원수가 조금이라도 더 괴롭길 바라며 한 헛소리에 불과했습니다. 그리고 다음 날 그는 찰리를 찾아가게 되는데
What can I do for you today?
I represent a group of investors who were awarded the lease to the 12 acres across the river.
And that lease still needs city approval.
Indeed, and that approval was set for the end of this month by your predecessor.
Well, unfortunately, my predecessor made a lot of mistakes.
How do you mean?
Well, the problem is there should have been RFP. The process wasn't competitive.
Anyone who wanted to make a bid was free to do so.
Yet no one else did.
I guess we got lucky then.
The people in Orleans own that land, and I have promised them that if and when their land is leased, it'll be done so in a way that benefits them. That's why I've decided to reopen the bid.
지미에게 원한이 있던 그는 사업을 허가해줄 생각이 없었습니다.
Would do a request for proposal, and you are, of course, encouraged to resubmit.
Well, is there any way that we might bypass all of that?
그날 밤 마이클은 피아가 불러 그녀의 집으로 향하게 되는데요.
Oh, that's for the potential christening. My parents picked it out.
Adam was baptized over my objections, as a matter of fact.
Right, you said you don't really believe in that.
No, but Robin did. That was Adam's mother.
그가 아내에게 설득되었던 건 딱 한마디 때문이었는데
Why do you fight so hard when it means nothing to you?
Why did you?
Because I thought I was right. I regret not giving in more often.
가족을 잃은 뒤에 남는 것은 언제나 후회뿐이었죠. 처음으로 제대로 보게 된 손자의 모습은 무엇보다 사랑스러웠는데요. 무슨 일인지 그는 마이클을 직접 집까지 바래다 주었는데
Tomorrow's my birthday, 50th. There'll be a party over at my hotel. You should join us.
그러다 무언가를 알아차리게 됩니다.
How did you know I was staying with my mother-in-law?
Judge, why don't you bring your friend Charlie Figaro as well?
그리고 집으로 돌아오자마자 기다렸다는 듯이 올리비아가 찾아왔는데요.
So, how's Jimmy?
Invited me to a birthday party tomorrow night.
Did he say anything else?
He wants me to bring Charlie.
Good.
이번에도 어떻게든 그를 이용할 생각뿐이었죠.
You just do everything I tell you to do, and your friend Charlie will be just fine, okay?
친구를 지키기 위해서라는 이유로 그녀의 말을 따르기로 했는데
I need you to come to a birthday party with me.
That's what you wanted to ask me?
It's for Jimmy Baxter.
Are you out of your mind? He wants political influence. He's trying to get to me through you, and you're letting him?
There's another reason. He and I have a grandchild. Adam and Fia, they have a baby.
Fuck me.
그 이야기를 듣고 나니 도저히 거절의 말이 나오지 않았죠. 그렇게 마이클은 올리비아가 준비한 양복을 입고 파티에 참석하게 되는데요.
Mr. Desiato, this is a private party.
Jimmy invited me.
Is that so? Stay away from my family.
그녀의 경고를 듣고 나니 도저히 파티에 머무를 수가 없었죠.
Look, I'm leaving.
Not until you do what you came there to do. Just keep your eyes open. There's something missing, Michael, so I need you there.
I am not wanted here.
Look, forget Gina, okay? Jimmy wants you there. That's all that matters.
말해준 적도 없는 진아에 대한 이야기를 알고 있다는 것이 이상했는데요. 정말로 옷에서 도청기가 발견됩니다. 우선은 찰리와 만나 파티를 이어가기로 하는데
Hey, you do have a face. Hey, don't look at me like that. I came here to see the baby.
Thank you. I imagine it's past its bedtime.
Well, someone must have a photo at least.
시간이 지나 파티의 분위기가 무르익고 지미의 깜짝 발표가 시작됩니다.
And tonight I want to recognize the newest addition to our family.
그런데
Judge Michael Desiato. Come on, Judge. Come on, come on.
그리고 그가 마이클을 초대한 진짜 목적이 드러나게 되는데요.
Oh, I'd also like to recognize Michael's best friend, the mayor of our fine city, Mr. Charlie Figueroa. As I understand it, Mr. Mayor, you were godfather to Michael's son. Well, perhaps you might be the perfect candidate to be baby Rocco's godfather.
그렇게 한순간에 시장을 백스터 가문의 일원이자 가족으로 만들어버리게 됩니다.
To old friends and new family. Cheers. Mayor Figueroa, Judge Desiato, meet Carmine Conti, my father-in-law.
Always a pleasure to meet the city's power brokers. I'm looking forward to the wonderful things we'll do together.
아버지의 속셈을 알아차린 피아는 대신해서 마이클에게 사과를 하게 되는데
I'm so embarrassed. My parents ruined everything.
I just don't want to get in the middle of family affairs.
You are family. It's the one thing my dad got right.
It's okay.
그 모습을 지미가 모두 지켜보게 되죠. 그래서 파티에서 벗어나려는 마이클을 불러내게 되는데요.
Michael, the birthday boy would like a moment of your time. Please.
당연히 순수하게 이야기하려는 목적으로 부른 것은 아니었는데
He's clean.
You know, my daughter barely speaks to me anymore. The harder I try, the more she pulls away. You make it look so easy.
계속 가족과 엮이는 그의 목적을 의심하기 시작하게 된 것입니다.
What do you want with my family?
Nothing.
Nothing? Why get a job delivering meat to my hotel? And Carlo about Harry the Hook, and why do I keep seeing you around my children?
그러자 마이클은 생각도 못한 행동을 하게 되는데요.
Go ahead and just do it, please.
이미 모든 것에 지친 그에겐 굳이 변명을 이어가고 싶은 의지조차 남지 않았죠.
I won't be your executioner.
그리고 다음 날 마이클은 다시 한번 반갑지 않은 손님을 맞이하게 되는데
I need details.
People ate, people drank. Gina threatened me. Discovered your bug, flushed it down the toilet. So, let's see. Charlie arrived. Carmine Conti is back in town. I was summoned to the basement where Jimmy put a gun to my head.
공적에만 신경 쓰던 그녀의 눈이 번쩍 뜨일 만한 정보가 있었죠.
Carmine Conti is back in town?
That's your takeaway.
Bringing down Baxter would be huge, but bringing down Carmine Conti? That's some Elliot Ness shit right there.
한편 지미의 파티에 참석한 일로 찰리의 정치 생활이 꼬이게 되었는데요.
Oh, that's just a photo. We're a year in, and we haven't delivered on any of our big promises. Where are the major initiatives to support black-owned businesses?
Being red taped to death by city council.
Your constituents don't care about red tape. To them, just means you can't get the job done. We need to demonstrate to our supporters and to the city what it is we stand for. Because this doesn't scream the people's mayor.
낮아진 지지율을 수습하기 위해 어떻게든 해야만 했는데
I appreciate y'all coming here. My man Zeke here has a interesting proposal.
The waterfront land in Algiers. It's the perfect place for a group like yours to invest.
Every mayor tries to develop that land. That ground has never been broken, and it never will be.
This is about to become a major initiative of my administration. That land will be developed.
그들은 지미와 함께 강변의 땅을 입찰하려던 유일한 경쟁 상대였고 공약 중 하나인 흑인들이 주도하는 사업을 위해 그들에게 땅을 건네주려고 하게 됩니다.
We do a cooperative endeavor agreement. Bypass the RFP entirely.
Your investment plus the government kicks in some funding. A public-private partnership.
이 사실을 알게 된 지미는 곧바로 마이클을 찾아갔는데요.
Just leave now.
This concerns your friend Charlie. I had an arrangement with the previous administration, but he's considering backing out of it.
I can't control that.
Could be very, very dangerous for it. If I can't do this deal the way I wanted to, then other people are going to get involved. People like my father-in-law. Perhaps there's another option. Just let him know, please.
친구의 목숨을 건 노골적인 협박에 굴복하는 수밖에 없었죠.
You should make that deal with Jimmy Baxter.
What are you, his lobbyist? What do you get out of helping him? What are you not telling me?
I am part of a federal investigation into the Baxter organization.
하지만 여전히 찰리에겐 납득할 수 없는 것이 있었는데
Why did you agree to cooperate? Don't lie to me.
The night Adam died, I was overcome with grief, and I confessed everything to her. The hit and run, Carlo Baxter's trial, all of it. I told her that you got rid of the car.
그제야 자신이 마이클로 인해 얼마나 위험한 상황에 처하게 되었는지를 알게 됩니다.
You ask me to disappear a car, I'm covering up a killing. You invite me to a party, I'm mixed up with mobsters who could murder me. My greatest liability in life is you.
I'm trying to help.
You're the last person whose help I'd ever want.
정말로 위험해질 수도 있다는 것을 알게 되자 다시 한번 지미와 만나게 되는데요.
I revisited your proposal. I can't make this deal. Not without some changes.
Such as?
I want preferred contractors, union workers, and disadvantaged business enterprises at 35% participation.
It's important to you who builds this project.
It's important to the people who put me here.
사업을 허락해주는 대신 자신의 공약에 유리한 몇 가지 조건을 추가하기로 한 것인데
And I get the waterfront.
You get to lease the waterfront from the city. Either this development is a genuine partnership or it's an empty plot of land.
결국 지미는 원하는 것을 얻게 되죠. 하지만 찰리가 제시한 조건을 위해선 훨씬 더 많은 돈이 필요해질 수밖에 없었는데요.
The mayor's stipulations are going to be costly, so just in case, I got us a meeting with some potential investors.
What investors?
Old friends. Come on, take the meeting.
문제는 카마인의 지인들은 지미의 항구를 불법적인 거래를 통한 이용수단으로 사용할 계획을 가진 이들이라는 것이었죠.
Anyone who knows me knows that I don't deal drugs.
Nothing we bring in stays in New Orleans.
이는 합법적인 사업을 통해 범죄에서 손을 떼고 양지로 나오려던 그에겐 불만족스러운 상황일 수밖에 없었는데요.
I don't like the idea of giving the Calabres free rein of my dogs. I need to know everything that comes and goes.
You're reluctant to share them because you don't want to lose control. Here's the difference between my control and your control. Your control is a figment of your imagination. I see you in your pressed suits in your pristine hotels. You trade on my name and my reputation, and you act like a gangster when it's convenient. And then you tell yourself, I'm just a businessman.
카마인은 그런 그를 겁쟁이라 비난할 뿐이었습니다.
I'm done watching you lie to yourself. You are nothing but a thug.
한편 피아는 외출을 위해 아들을 잠시 동안 칼로에게 맡기기로 했는데
You sure you're up to this?
He can handle it. You'll call us if you need us.
Have fun.
Hey, little guy.
하지만 칼로는 그다지 조카를 돌보는 일에 집중하지 않았죠.
You sure we're not gonna wake the baby? Let's go to the bedroom.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Carlo. It's Joey.
What the fuck do you want?
Chill, man. I just want to talk.
당연히 자신을 배신한 친구를 용서해줄 생각 따윈 전혀 없었는데요.
I should fucking kill you right now.
Hey, son. The dude who took a shot at you.
He's fucking dead.
Son, I got a photo.
그 사진을 보게 되니 생각이 바뀔 수밖에 없었죠. 사실 유진은 디자이어의 조직원이 보내준 곳에 잘 숨어 살고 있었지만 그 동네의 조직원 간의 다툼이 터져 급히 도망쳐 보호를 받고 있던 것인데
Never thought I'd see you again.
하필 그 모습을 조이가 우연히 발견한 것이었죠. 그리고 칼로는 한번 자신을 죽이려 했던 유진을 그냥 보내줄 생각이 추호도 없었는데요. 문제는 엉망진창으로 운전을 한 탓에 그조차 무사할 수 없었다는 것인데 오히려 유진에게 죽을 위기에 처하게 됩니다.
You killed Kofi. You beat my brother to death for no fucking reason. Your daddy blew my mama's house up, killed my whole family. And after all of this, you are trying to fucking kill me?
하지만 마지막 순간에 그가 선택한 건 처절한 복수가 아니었는데요. 덕분에 칼로는 간신히 목숨을 건질 수 있었습니다.
Carlo, you okay?
Yeah. I was in a car accident with Joey.
Maldini?
What were you doing leaving Rocco? How could you leave my son with a fucking stranger?
Can we talk about this later?
No, I need an answer right now.
Joey came to the hotel. He said he was in the lower ninth earlier, and he saw Eugene Jones.
I thought he was disposed of.
So did I. No, I saw him.
So did you?
He tried to kill me.
What is wrong with this family? so fucking done with all of you.
이번 일로 지미는 가족들로부터 완전히 신뢰를 잃게 되는데
Are you so afraid of being like the drunk daddy of yours that you have forgotten what it takes to be a man, huh? Knock the fuck up!
그는 이 모욕에 대한 화풀이를 위해선 뭐라도 해야만 했는데요.
Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimmy!
그렇게 지미에게 완전히 버림받게 됩니다.
Frankie no longer works for this family.
He's our friend.
Well, it's time for a change.
You didn't want to consult me first?
Not particularly.
그 시각 유진은 도시를 떠나기 위해 버스를 기다리고 있었는데요. 그런데 어떻게든 무사히 도망칠 수 있게 됩니다.
I was shot. What are you doing?
I'm calling an ambulance.
No, I can't go to the hospital right now.
You're hurt.
No, they're gonna kill me. I was shot by a cop. If they find me now, I'm dead.
I'm calling a friend. She's a doctor.
그렇게 리의 친구의 도움으로 간신히 살아남을 수 있었는데요.
So who is he?
Former client, sort of. Is he gonna live? If he gets the care he needs, I hope.
Oh shit.
하는 수 없이 병원으로 데려가게 됩니다.
You need a blood transfusion, IV. Gunshot wound to the shoulder. Bullet exit cleanly.
문제는 총상을 입은 환자에 대한 건 경찰에 신고하는 것이 절차였는데
I have a gunshot victim. He just arrived.
Can't do that, please. He's the victim.
I believe you, but I have a duty to report.
The police did this to him. Please.
Male, 40s. Looks Hispanic.
하지만 유진을 쏜 경찰은 이조차 예상하고 병원에 협조를 요청한 뒤였는데요.
Who called this in?
I did.
He look Hispanic to you?
Must have been a clerical error.
Yeah.
Yeah, this gunshot victim we got in, he's a black teenager.
I'm on my way.
결국 꼼짝도 못하고 경찰에게 잡혀갈 위기에 놓이게 됩니다.
Eugene Jones! I'm Eugene Jones! My name is Eugene Jones! Eugene Jones! My name is Eugene Jones!
일이 틀어지게 되자 루디는 찰리에게 연락하게 되는데
How's my favorite detective?
Eugene Jones is alive.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Where's he now?
In a hospital. Everyone's about to find out. Hey, what should we do? Charlie, we're so fucked.
그는 자신의 정치 인생을 위해 해야만 하는 선택을 하게 되는데요.
Who's we?
What?
You the one who found the dead body? You the one who took credit for cracking a case you didn't solve? Sound like you in your car. I suggest you keep on driving.
그렇게 루디는 철저하게 버림받은 채 홀로 대가를 치러야만 했죠. 그리고 지미도 이 소식을 듣게 되는데
He was shot earlier tonight. He's in the emergency room being prepped for the OR.
Is he gonna die?
He's expected to recover. Place him under arrest. We're here now.
Okay. Carlo, you've been trying to prove yourself for a while now. You're strong, decisive. That can be very valuable.
Yes.
무슨 일인지 갑자기 칼로에게 살갑게 굴기 시작했는데요. 자신을 배척하는 아내를 대신해 완전히 신뢰할 수 있는 새로운 관계를 만들기 위한 수작이었죠. 그 시각 볼일을 마치고 돌아온 마이클은 집 앞에서 뜻밖의 손님을 맞이하게 되는데 덱스터 가문을 떠나 그를 찾아온 그녀는 새로운 가족을 만들 수 있었는데요.
I'll get you a to-go cup for your coffee.
Thank you. Shit, Stacy's still 20 minutes away.
No problem. I got him. Do
Thank
well.
you.
Don't worry. Everything's under control.
그런 그에게 반갑지 않은 손님이 찾아오게 됩니다.
Miss me?
그녀가 찾아온 이유는 바로 피아를 이용하기 위함이었는데
Help me flip Bea Baxter.
That's Fia's friend. She's here to babysit. You need to leave.
Michael, Bea is the only member of that family who's not a criminal. She trusts you. I promise you this will be the last thing that I ask you to do.
이제 누군가에게 이용당하는 것은 지긋지긋하기만 할 뿐이었죠.
Fuck off.
그러자 그녀는 마이클이 없는 틈을 타 직접 피아를 찾아가게 되는데요.
This house right here, it belonged to the family of Kofi Jones. Was murdered.
Was a gas leak?
Come on, Fia. Kofi Jones kills Rocco Baxter and Carlo Baxter kills Kofi Jones. Then the Jones family is killed days later by the Baxter family. Eugene Jones tries to kill your brother and hits the father of your child instead. And I am so sorry that happened.
백스터 가문이 일으킨 범죄 사실을 폭로하며 자신을 도울 것을 강요했는데
To be the compassionate, strong person that I know you are, I want you to make right the things that your family has done wrong. I need you to get me inside the Baxter family.
I won't spy on my family.
What about what they're going to do? I know you're not like the rest of your family, but if you choose to do nothing now, you've got to wonder what makes you so different.
마침 마이클이 돌아오게 됩니다.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Hi, I am in AUSA, and I am here speaking with Ms. Baxter about her family, and you are?
I'm her attorney. This girl is a minor. You are not to speak to her again without me present. Time to go.
Yeah, it's still up to you. You can help me prevent a lot of pain.
그동안 몰랐던 가족의 추악한 진실에 피하는 혼란에 빠질 수밖에 없었는데요.
Is there any advice you can give me?
I think you should stay out of it.
Even if they belong in prison?
Nothing good will come out of you getting involved. Your job is to take care of him by taking care of yourself.
마이클은 그녀가 진실을 알길 바라지 않았죠. 그래서 그는 직접 올리비아를 찾아가게 되는데
She has nothing to do with her family.
Well, I believe she could be very valuable to my case.
You'd be ruining her life.
It's the only member of that family who might cooperate, and there's no one else who could get me that close to them.
I can't. You leave Fia and Rocco alone, and I will get you Jimmy Baxter.
그렇게 직접 백스터 가문을 찾아가게 됩니다.
Thank you for seeing me. I just had a personal concern I wanted to speak to you about, if I may.
You want to go for a ride?
그는 마이클을 사업을 위해 개발 중인 땅으로 데려갔는데요.
I recently furloughed my right-hand man of 14 years. Find myself wanting for wisdom. Someone smart, educated, someone I can trust. Put my family's best interests ahead of his own. You think that could be you?
이제는 손재로 인해 가족이 된 그를 신뢰할 수 있다는 이유였는데
I've committed my share of sins. I'm not looking to commit more.
No one's asking you to. That's the whole point. This is a new chapter for our family, a completely legitimate enterprise. And I could use a mind like yours. This is about our legacy, building something that'll outlast all of us.
올리비아의 계획을 생각하면 이 제안은 무조건 받아들이는 것이 옳았지만
At what cost? Your investors include the Calabri family.
They've only provided capital. What they do in New York is their business.
Tell me that you want me for my intellect and then treat me like a fool.
그는 좀처럼 지미를 신뢰할 수 없었죠.
I have no interest in what the Calabri family does. That is not who I am.
There's a world of difference between who we are and who we want to be.
그리고 칼로의 차를 얻어타 집으로 돌아가게 되는데요.
Jimmy gave me assurances that he's going legit.
That's sort of like waking up with a hangover and swearing you'll never fucking drink again, right?
So what, you're saying that he's lying to me?
I'm sure he doesn't see it that way.
So he can't face who he really is.
Well, that's why he's got me.
To take care of the less legitimate side.
그에게서 좀 더 많은 정보를 얻어내기로 합니다.
The Calabris, no. There's not a lot of mystery in their business model.
Whatever they do won't be done in New Orleans.
So the Baxters are just middlemen?
한편 경찰에 잡힌 유진은 재판을 치르게 되었는데
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this is a case about simple revenge. The state will show that Eugene Jones purchased a gun and came to the hotel that night with murder on his mind. He fired the gun at Carlo Baxter and killed Adam Desiato instead. And you will be presented with ample evidence that supports these facts. Seen in its totality will point toward one clear conclusion, that Eugene Jones be found guilty of first-degree murder.
이 재판엔 진아까지 증인으로 참석했죠.
That's when I saw him raise his gun, and he aimed for my son Carlo. I thought for sure Carlo was about to be murdered right in front of me, but God spared him.
Mrs. Baxter, did you see anything else?
I saw the shooter drop his gun and run away.
And can you identify the shooter that you saw that night?
Yes, it was the defendant, Eugene Jones.
Thank you, Mrs. Baxter. No more questions.
명확한 증언 앞에서도 리는 태어나기만 했는데요.
Mrs. Baxter, if you saw a gun pointed at Carlo, why didn't you react?
React faster than a speeding bullet.
You didn't even try to get in between your child and the attacker?
I would die for my child.
I believe you, which is why I'm having a hard time understanding why, with a gun pointed at Carlo, you didn't react at all. Unless you didn't see the gun because you didn't see the shooter.
그러자 검사 측에서 뜻밖의 제안을 하게 되는데
Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Rawl.
The state moves to amend the witness list. I would like to add a name. Michael Desiato.
진아의 증언이 통하지 않는다면 또 다른 목격자를 증인으로 내세우겠다는 전략이었죠.
Mr. Rawl is worried that testimony from a mobster's friends and family might not come across as particularly trustworthy. He's going to call a convicted criminal to testify.
People with rap sheets can still witness crimes, Miss Delamere.
But what I'm trying
They
to...
can also do more damage to a case than good, Mr. Rawl. Have a good night.
그날 밤 법정에서 진아의 증언을 모두 목격하게 된 피아는 곧바로 지미를 찾아가게 되는데
Please, come in. Is everything okay?
I watched Mom testify in court today. She swore on a Bible, and then I'm pretty sure she lied to the whole world. I just want to have one honest conversation, just one. And I promise you that whatever you tell me, it'll be okay. But if I find out that you lied to me, you will never see me again.
그녀는 무엇보다 가장 알고 싶었던 진실을 묻게 됩니다.
Are you responsible for the death of the Jones family?
It was a gas leak.
마지막으로 한 번만 더 가족을 믿어보기로 하는데
I spoke with an assistant U.S. attorney.
그리고 올리비아에게 들었던 이야기를 전해주게 됩니다.
I refuse to cooperate, but they are investigating you. So whatever it is you are doing with the Calabri family, you need to stop. They are watching everything you do.
그 시각 마이클은 지미와 칼로를 통해 알게 된 정보를 모두 올리비아에게 전해줬는데요.
All right. So, are you sure there's nothing else?
I'm sure. Just follow Carlo. Whatever he's gonna do, he's gonna do it soon.
Hello, Mr. Mayor.
We've got a problem. Jimmy Baxter just called off the deal. The entire development is being scrapped. He said he couldn't come up with the money. It's over.
한순간에 백스터 가문을 잡을 계획이 물거품이 되고 맙니다.
Jimmy just abandoned the Baxter district.
다음 날 판사는 마이클의 증인 소환을 허락하게 되는데
I spent the weekend reviewing your briefs regarding the witness. The scope of his testimony is to be confined to the night of the shooting.
그렇게 그가 재판장에 서게 되는데요.
And I'm sorry to have to ask, but did you see your son get shot?
Suddenly, there was a bang. The bullet hit Adam in the neck. I held my son in my arms as he died.
And did you see who shot him?
Standing next to the kitchen in the back.
And was it the defendant, Eugene Jones?
Yes, it was.
아무리 오랜 시간이 흘러도 그날의 기억은 절대로 지워질 수 없었죠. 이번엔 리의 질문이 시작되었는데
How long were you able to see him for?
A couple seconds.
So you're looking through a window, past curtains, into a dark room, a lot of people, and you were focused on your son. But past all of that, it was Eugene Jones you saw holding the gun?
Yes.
Did you see what he was wearing?
Jeans and a white t-shirt and a checkered hoodie.
You only had a couple of seconds, and you claimed to have seen his face, his pants, his shirt. I'm asking, how can you remember that?
그가 이렇게까지 확신할 수 있는 이유는 따로 있었습니다.
He was wearing the same clothes that I had seen him in earlier that day.
Objection beyond the scope. Move to strike.
The witness opened the door, Your Honor.
Sustained.
Fine.
이야기를 이어갈수록 사건과는 무관해 보이는 듯한 내용이었는데요.
Why was he in your chambers?
He was selling me a baseball. $500.
Why so expensive?
It was autographed by Mariano Rivera.
What was your interest in that ball?
It once belonged to my son.
Do you know how Adam's baseball came into the possession of Eugene Jones?
He inherited it from his brother, Kofi Jones, after he died.
How did Kofi Jones end up with that baseball?
It was in my car.
The car that he stole October 9th?
He stole the car on October 10th.
The day after, the car hit Rocco Baxter.
결국 계속된 질문에 그동안 숨겨져 있던 진실이 드러나게 됩니다.
So Kofi Jones wasn't driving that car that was involved in the hit and run?
No.
Who was driving?
My son, Adam.
그녀로서는 누구에게도 들을 수 없었던 이야기였는데
Don't you dare!
I'm so sorry.
For what? For lying to me this entire time or for covering up my brother's death?
그 배신감은 이루 말할 수 없을 정도였죠.
You're a liar. And so was your son.
Oh, Thea.
그리고 다음 날 이번엔 유진의 증언이 시작되었는데요.
Eugene, do you know the term survivor's guilt?
No.
When someone close to us dies, sometimes we who didn't perish feel guilty about still being alive. Did you ever think about how close you came to dying with the rest of your family that night?
Yeah.
Why did you leave the house that night?
Everybody was hungry.
Was it often your responsibility to...
She just didn't have it in her sometimes.
이상할 정도로 그날 밤의 일에 대해 캐묻게 됩니다.
Eugene, you said earlier that you were in Judge Jesse Otto's courtroom for your mother's hearing. Did you participate in any way in that hearing?
Yeah, the judge had asked me some questions.
The defense would like to submit the hearing transcript for Famali Jones into the record.
그렇게 당시 마이클과 나눈 대화를 재현하기 시작했는데
Please tell the court your name.
Eugene,
Eugene, where is your father?
busy. Side girlfriend.
What did you eat for breakfast, Eugene?
We had some pickle juice. Hot fries sometimes when we're helped out.
And who helped you out?
My older brother sometimes.
You had to survive on pickle juice and hot fries.
We had cereal too.
Eggs? Bacon?
No, none of that stuff.
Why not?
We couldn't cook because we didn't have any gas.
Eugene, are you sure about that?
Yeah, we didn't have enough money for bills. We didn't have gas for weeks.
그제야 그날의 진실을 증명할 길을 찾게 되죠.
We went to Entergy New Orleans this afternoon, checked the records. The gas was turned off 7 weeks before the explosion.
마침내 모두가 유진이 겪은 억울함을 알게 되는데요. 그렇게 유진은 자유의 몸이 되어 풀려나게 됩니다.
Thank you for caring about me.
Take care of yourself.
Stay out of trouble, okay?
그리고 가스 폭발을 일으킨 백스터 가문으로선 이 상황이 달가울 수가 없었는데
What's your plan now?
What do you want me to say? That I'll fall on my sword if I have to?
That's the least you could do.
Are we to overlook the fact that sending a message to the Jones family was your idea?
You are a pathetic excuse for a man.
로코의 죽음 이후로 이미 갈라설 대로 갈라선 진아는 더 이상 지미를 좋게 볼 수가 없었는데요.
What's wrong?
It's Jimmy. He blames me for what he did to that Jones family. He's always held it against me. Oh, but he's going to confess to the police. And he's threatened to implicate me too because he hates me. He told me that.
Is he in his room?
거짓말로 자신의 아버지를 부추기게 되고 그를 이용해 모든 골칫거리를 끝내기로 합니다.
You were never my family.
Calling from the Baxter house. I just heard gunshots. Please send help right away.
지금까지 존경하는 재판장님 시즌 2였습니다.